Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, let's start our today's lecture number 3 from chapter number 2, microorganisms. So, my dear students, let's first recap what we did in the previous lectures. For that, you have to answer a few questions. So, listen to the questions very carefully, and then you can pause the video and answer the questions. So quickly tell me how to search for microorganisms around you. आप कैसे अपने इर्द गिर्द जो है वो microorganisms को search out कर सकते हैं? Very good. Now tell me from where the word micro is originated. Excellent. It is a Greek word. Very nice. So my dear students, and what does it mean? Small. Very good. So my dear students, here on your screen you can see this is a coronavirus and it is also a microorganism. So my dear students, today all the students will be able to identify main groups of microorganisms and give example for each. ठीक है, आप microorganism के जो groups हैं उनको identify करेंगे and we will specifically discuss about virus and we will discuss about its examples also. So my dear students, today's lesson is general group of microorganisms and we will discuss about virus in detail, its shapes, कैसी इसकी shapes होती हैं, round, rod, tadpole and polyhedral. So this will be discussed in today's lesson. So my dear students, let's quickly move towards the Islamic perspective. I swear by what you see and what you do not see. ठीक है, तो बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं ऐसी जो हमें नज़र आती हैं और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी नहीं हैं जो हमें नजर नहीं आती. तो इसमें कसम खाई जा रही है. तो हमें इस चीज का अंदाजा होता है कि बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो वो हमारी आंखों के सामने होती हैं और बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हमारी आंखों के सामने नहीं है, but still they exist. Microorganism and air are one of the examples. So my dear students, some pre-reading question. Define microorganism. Very good, excellent. अब तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से microorganisms के बारे में पता चल गया. So my dear students, now quickly open page number 22 in your Science 5 books. I hope everybody has opened the books. So my dear students, let's start the lecture. First of all, look at the pictures. This is a picture of a virus. This is the bacteria. And this is fungi. And all three are microorganisms. These are microbes. ठीक है, इनको microbes भी कहा जाता है. So, general groups of microorganisms. Today we will discuss about this. There are thousands of varieties observed under the category of microorganisms. The most important groups are viruses, bacteria, and fungi. So, what are the three groups? Quickly, viruses, bacteria, and fungi. So, these are the three main groups of microorganisms. But today we will only discuss about virus. So, let's start reading. Virus. Viruses are the smallest microorganisms. They are found everywhere on Earth. The word virus means poisonous fluid. As the name indicates, viruses are generally harmful to other organisms and even to bacteria. Viruses cannot survive by themselves. They need a living body of another organism, whether plant or animal, host to survive and reproduce. Inside the host body, viruses multiply rapidly and destroy the host cells. Examples are influenza virus, tobacco mosaic virus, bacteriophage, adenovirus, coronavirus, etc. So my dear students, here we have started discussing about virus, that it is also a microorganism and it is the smallest type of microorganism. It is found almost everywhere. और वायरस का मतलब है पॉइजनस फ्लूइड. नाम से हमें पता चल रहा है कि जहरीला मादा कोई भी. सो मोस्टली वायरसेस जो है वो लिविंग बॉडी के बगैर जो है एक्टिव नहीं होते. सो व्हेनेवर दे एंटर अ लिविंग बॉडी, plant, animal or human being, तो ये उनके अंदर जाते हैं and they start dividing. तब ये जो है ये एक्टिव हो जाते हैं. Otherwise when they are outside they are not active, they do not reproduce. तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि outside the body they are not active? Because they are not reproducing. So when they go inside a living body they start reproducing. Or when they start reproducing they destroy the host cells. ठीक है? For example, if a virus enters into my body, so it will enter into my cells. मेरी बॉडी क्योंकि सेल्स से बनी हुई है, ये मेरे सेल्स के अंदर जाएगा एंड इट विल स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग, और ये मेरे सेल्स को आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से डिस्ट्रॉय करना शुरू कर देगा और खुद जो है ये रेप्लिकेट करेगा. सो दिस इज हाउ वायरसेस वर्क, दैट दे आर not active outside the body. Otherwise when they are inside a living body, plant, animal or human being, they are active and living. So these are living but they are active inside the body, and they are also harmful to bacteria. Even they enter into the bacteria और ये उनको भी जो है उनकी सेल्स को भी डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं. Now let's discuss about the shapes of virus. Shapes of viruses. Different forms of viruses are found in different shapes. That is, influenza and coronaviruses are found in spherical shape. Tobacco mosaic virus is found in rod shape. Bacteriophage virus has tadpole shape, and the adenovirus has polyhedral shape. So different shapes of viruses are round, rod, tadpole, and polyhedral. So my dear students, now let's quickly have a look at all the shapes जिनको हमने पढ़ा है अभी. Let's quickly first look at the coronavirus. It has a spherical shape. ठीक है? Round shape है इसकी और sphere है, like it is a sphere. Round, this is round and this is spherical. So it has a round or a spherical shape. Then comes rod shaped bacteria और ये tobacco mosaic virus की picture है. Then comes bacteriophage और इसकी जो है वो tadpole shape होती है. This is a bacteriophage virus. Then comes polyhedral virus. Adenovirus जो है इसकी polyhedral shape होती है. This is a polyhedral shaped virus. So these are the different shapes of viruses that are found around you everywhere. So now let's quickly move towards the practice. Practice के लिए बड़ी ही interesting सी एक worksheet है आपके लिए. Have a look at this. आपको worksheet है lecture number 3 group of microorganisms. You can simply download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, draw a virus in the given space. It is living or non-living. So here in 2 lines you will discuss it is living or non-living, and you can we have discussed about a lot of shapes. You will draw your shape of virus in this box. So pause the video and complete the worksheet. I hope you have done the worksheet, submitted to your teacher, and then we will move forward towards section B, question number 5 on page number 34. Are viruses living or non-living? Give a reason for your answer. So exercise B given on page number 34, you will complete question number 5 in your notebooks. ठीक है? आपको ये बताना है कि viruses जो है वो living है या non-living है. So और आपकी जो भी reason होगा that they are, if they are living, so what is the reason behind it? That whenever they enter a body, they become active and they start reproducing and they are living. That's why. So इस तरीके से आप अपने आंसर को रीजन भी करेंगे और उसको प्रॉपर्ली जो है उसको स्टेटमेंट के थ्रू आप आंसर करेंगे. डू इट इन योर नोटबुक्स, कंप्लीट इट एंड सबमिट इट टू योर टीचर. Very good. From here we will move forward towards your evaluation. Quickly answer some questions, listen to them carefully, pause the video and then orally answer them. Name general groups of microorganisms. Very good. What is the meaning of word virus? Excellent. Now name different shapes of viruses. Round, rod, tadpole and polyhedral. Very good. Excellent. So my dear students, now is the time to note down your homework. Quickly note it down. You will do MCQ number 2 given on page number 33. The word micro is a Greek word that means invertebrates, germs, organisms or small. Very good. And then MCQ number 6 given on page number 34. You will do it in your books and this is your homework. So my dear students, and you also have to make a fun project. आप क्या करेंगे? Take Play-Doh. Play-Doh हर किसी के घर में available होता है and prepare models of different shapes of viruses using Play-Doh. ठीक है, आपको वायरस के डिफरेंट मॉडल्स प्रिपेयर करने हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लेडो. आप अभी हमने बहुत सारी जो है शेप्स डिस्कस की हैं. मेक अ मॉडल एट योर होम, put it in a polythene or paste it on a thermopole sheet, cover it with a sheet so that it will remain intact, and then present it in your class, share it with your friends, take a picture of it and do it at your homes. So my dear students, what have we learned today? The word virus means poisonous fluid. Different forms of viruses are found in different shapes. And in the next class, students will learn about bacteria. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed and learned a lot of things about virus. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.